Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will see an overview of LitStar app. So let's get started. So currently before starting this video I want to show you some demos of this application. So if I come to analytics, so we will be able to see here all the analytics of my previous 7 days. Currently here you can see I have gained 4 followers, some views and post likes, after that reel views, and this is how we are seeing the analytics. And if I come to my wallet screen, so here we can see we have like in my wallet I have 39 rupees, and this I have received as a welcome bonus, and some users have sent me after that. Like I have watched some reels also, and on the basis of that I have got some amount. Okay, now if I come back and if I show you the how can we earn, so we will explore this part in the this video. So we continue in this video and let's get started. Cool. So in this video what all we are going to learn in this video. So this video is basically on the LitStar app, like how LitStar app work, what is LitStar app, and how we can earn, and everything related to LitStar app, whatever you want to know, and you will get in this video. If I miss some points, maybe you have some doubt, then you can ask me on WhatsApp. I hope you have my number, or directly you can go to the app setting and you can get my number from there. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to Play Store and install the app. Okay, so here you can see, if I come here and if I search LitStar, so this is an application. You need to install this app, and once you have installed, just open this application. Now here there can be two conditions, that you have your account and you don't have your account. If you have your account, then you need to log in it. If you have logged in and your account was not verified, you need to verify your account. We will send you one 60-digit pin, and after that you need to give us that pin and we will verify your account. If you don't have an account, so what you need to do, don't have an account, so you can see here we have written one don't have an account just below of the screen. Click on this and you will be redirected to this screen, create a new account. So what you need to do, you need to keep your username and make sure that your username should be unique, means it should not be taken by any other user. So here I can take one username. Okay, so if I say here user test. Okay, user test, I am keeping my name, and one email ID I will say, that will be dvr cartoon, my email ID. So this is my email ID and mobile number, so I will kept my mobile number this, and perfect. Okay, now password, I am keeping a random password. So this is a test account, so I will delete this account after this video. So test 1 2 3, or the okay, so this is an account, and if I will now agree the conditions. Now this all details once you have filled, just click on create account. So once you have clicked on create account, this account will be created. Now what you need to do, you need to verify your account. So you will get one email, okay, so you need to go to your email box, and here you will get receive one so you can see just on 10:12 we have received one mail and notification also we have received. Okay, so perfect. So if I come here, and this is an kind of a message that you will receive on your email. So this is a code. What you need to do, copy this code and come back to the app. Okay, if you face any kind of issues, we have provided an email ID and LinkedIn or email ID, like everything we have, so you can contact us directly. Okay, now if I come back here and if I paste the code whatever was there, and if I click on verify, this will verify our account, and you can see now we have successfully logged into our account. Perfect, perfect. I hope guys till now, if you are here, means you don't have any issue while logging. If you are facing any kind of issue, any means any kind of issue, what you need to do, just go to my, like you can visit my, or just directly message me on WhatsApp. Okay, so if I come here and if I show you my number, so this is my number and myself. Okay, we can't. Okay, so this is what you can directly even message me on Instagram or you can directly go to the this email. Anyhow you can contact me. Okay, so perfect. So now if I come back and so here we are. Okay, so this is our new account, by the way. Okay, so your account will be this. Okay, user test, that username we have kept. Okay, so now next what you need to do, you need to set up your profile. Okay, so we will click on edit, and here we will kept here our name, and name we are keeping it demo, or demo, wait, demo account. Okay, this is a demo account, I can say demo account. Perfect. Now again in bio you need to kept your real bio, means what do you want to kept your bio. So I am keeping here we are creating a demo video of Let's Star app. Okay, Let's Star app. Perfect. So now if you want your account visibility, like if you want your account to should be private, then you can make it off, means now your account is private, means your post will not be shown to any of the user on this Let's Star app unless and until they don't follow you. Okay, I will also show you like how exactly this will look like. Okay, now I can basically here make it public. Okay, now next if you want to change your profile picture, just click on the change profile picture, and this will help you to select some profile picture from your galleries. Okay, now I can basically select the any photo, and we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now this has uploaded the profile picture. Okay, now I can click on save button. Now this will now you can see a profile updated. If I come back and if I refresh, so right now you can see our account had been completely like we can see verified. Now here the things you can't change is, first, username we can't change. Okay, second, if you want to change your username, then you need to contact me. Okay, through WhatsApp or anyhow you can just contact me. Okay, cool. Next you need to, you can't change email ID, you can change WhatsApp number, even you can't change mobile number, means while creating the account if you have kept any of the detail they will not be able to change. But yeah, you can change your password. Okay, so how you can change the password, here is an option to change your password. We need your current password, new password, and confirm new password. Perfect. Now next is how you can upload the videos. Okay, if first of all I want to show you the private account, how we can see like how we can see any kind of private account. So I hope if I can find here any one private account. So this is one private account. So you can see here the people had uploaded, I think this Ruhi had uploaded one post, and I am unable to view that post because they have kept their account as a private. So you can see here as a message, this account is private, you can't view any post, like we can view these posts only if we both follow each other. Okay, perfect. Now if I show you the account which is public, and currently you can see this account is public, so I can easily view every post here. Okay, perfect. Now next I want to show you how we can upload any kind of posts or anything. Okay, so come here, post, so I can select any photo from my gallery. So you can see if I select this, and if I do next, and if I give caption working hard. Okay, working hard. Perfect. Now next I can may say upload. Okay, upload image, so this will be uploaded to my account, and we need to wait a little bit till this is uploading. Perfect. Now this is be uploaded. Now next if I refresh it right now, so you can see we have one post. Okay, so you can see here we have one post, and currently it's wait a sec, let me go back and let me open the app again, and okay, I am here, and if I come back here and if I open this, so you can see this VR app is here. Let the image load. Okay, cool, perfect, this image had been loaded perfectly. And if I now come back, and if I again come back, and now let's upload one reel. Okay, so if I come here and start uploading any kind of reel here, so if I select any reel from my gallery, so here are few reels that I have uploaded, in my gallery there are few reels. So if I select any of the reel, and if I minimize the sound, okay, perfect. If I sell kept the like chill. I will say chill mode on. Okay, chill mode on. Okay, perfect. And whatever the hashtag you want to give, you can give your hashtag here. So I can say dance. Perfect. And we can select the language, like which language you this video contains. Okay, I will say upload. Now this will start uploading the video to my account. So we will wait a while. Now if I refresh here again, so I will get two posts. Okay, so one post is of this video, like image, and second is of I can say basically this reel. If I come here to my reel section, currently you can see we are compressing this image, means currently this video is processing in our backend system, means we are compressing this image so that users can view this image, sorry, this reel. Okay, perfect. Till this video is complete, till this reel is compressing, what I will do, I will upload one video. Okay, upload video. Now if I come here and upload any video, so if I have any video of 1 to 2 second, I will try to upload that. Okay, so that it can be compressed easily within a second, and we can view that. So I'm looking for a video if I have of around 1 minute or 2 minute. I have one video of 1 minute or 2 minute, but these are kind of emojis, so I would love to prefer any reel kind of. Instead of reel, I would love to make one sec guys, let me look into it. So can we continue with this video? Okay, so we will continue with this video. This is a kind of short video, but still we are going to upload this. Okay, so what I will kept here title, we will say tell any title. Okay, I will delete this by the way. So I will say hashtag test. I will select the language, and I need to upload the thumbnail for this. So let's upload thumbnail. So for thumbnail, can we go with the thumbnail if I have any thumbnail? By the way guys, here we need thumbnail in 16:9, means in form of a like 16:9 format we require. So if I show you, if I go to my gallery, maybe I have some photos in deleted folder which I can use. So if I come here and perfect guys, I can basically use this one. Okay, so if I restore it and restore it, let's upload this one. Okay, so if I come here and I have one image. Okay, now let's upload this. So this video, like your thumbnail, will be uploaded, and once this is uploaded, what you need to do, just click on this upload video. It will be enabled, and currently here you can see this video has been started uploading, and it's currently saving to my account, and you can see it has been uploaded and saved to my account. Currently this video is compressing in our backend system. We will not be able to see this video here. Okay, so if I even refresh, I will not get that video. Why? We need to wait a little bit. Okay, means till we are compressing this video. Compression will take a long time, depend on your video length. Okay, so if I come now to my reel section, and currently you can see this video has been compressed, and this video can be now played easily. Okay, perfect. I not want to play it. I will come back, and now I want to show you the sections which we are waiting till starting to look them. Okay, so the first section is change password, not change password. Invite friend. If you want to invite, then you can invite the friends. Now our main topic is how can I earn. So here you can see verify your account on 100 followers, means once your account have gained 100 followers, you can easily monetize your account. Okay, means once you have 100 followers, then you can easily monetize your account. Means monetization is eligible for long videos only. Okay, for short videos like reels, they are monetized from the beginning. Okay, so you can see earn from your reels, your account will be credited once your reels reach 1000 views. Okay, means as your reels are reaching like 1000 views, then your account will be credited with the specific amount. That amount can be anything between 5 to 10, or can be 20 also. So next is earn money by watching reels, means while watching, you are watching the reels, in the between we will display some ads, and on the basis of your ads, we will credit your account. Okay, Perfect. Next, earn from your post means your post, whatever you are posting on your account. If you are posting like any kind of a photo or anything, and your post are getting a huge likes, then on the basis of that also you are going to earn. Now next is you can earn, create long videos and earn more. So make sure that you are not uploading any copyright content. If you are uploading any copyright content, then that can be issue with your account. Now next is you can get a sponsorship from brands. Like once you have a proper followers, proper you have managed your account, you will get some sponsorship from our end. Now next is our team will be gift you if you are creating, you are working hard on your account. After that is you can receive or send monies from users account to others user. Perfect. And more features we are building, we are currently in a building stage. Now here I hope this is a analytics screen. Of course we are not going to see anything here because we have everything 000. Okay, so everything is blank because we have not any update yet. Okay, perfect. And if I come here, watch wallet, so even for wallet I have got it a welcome bonus. Okay, perfect guys, I hope you have also got it this till now. Now I think you are completely known what is this, what is not this. So if I come here to videos, I hope that video has been came. If I refresh, and yeah, you can see here guys, this video has been compressed. And if I come here and play, so you can see this video has been get played, and perfect, it is here. Perfect guys. Now what you need to do next, if you I hope you are completely known about this app, what is this app and how everything works. If you are still facing any kind of issue, you can just directly jump to the WhatsApp and you can message me anyhow. Now next is here status. So how we can add status also, I will show you that also. So if I come here plus sign, and if I select any of the photo, like I am selecting this photo and I am saying upload this, upload, so this will start uploading my photo. And you can see here I have uploaded my one status also. Okay, now if I need to refresh here, by the way, to check my like real live, I can say profile picture. Okay, so you can see this is my account and it's looking perfect, fine. So if I come here, user demo user, and here you can see this is our account. And if I come here, this is my account. So cool guys, hope you are here. And next is, if you want to earn like from reels watching, so go to the reel section and start watching the reels. Just scroll, and not just only to scroll, just you need to watch this also. Like you need to watch this video up to half duration, only then we will be able to categorize whether you have watched this video or not. On the basis of that we will show the ads, and on the basis of same we will come to know whether you are watching this video or not. Okay, cool guys, hope you enjoy. If you are facing any kind of issue, just message me on WhatsApp or anywhere. Okay, anywhere means anywhere, even if from the app you can message me. Okay, so even from the app you can just directly message me here. So I will say hi and I will receive this message, and as soon as I am online I will just message you back, and we will here to talk on this issue, any kind of issue. So that's all guys, hope you enjoy this video. So thank you so much, thank you so much.